So I owe my bank $60,000. Do I have 60,000? Absolutely not. Is this going to turn into a woe is me, please, here's my GoFundMe? Also, absolutely not. Some of you know me because I had a trademark battle with Homesick Candle Company, which lasted approximately a year before it was resolved in my favor. Some of you follow me because when I joined the app, I was actively going through a divorce, and I talked about overcoming adversity as you move through the divorce. And some of you know me just because I get on this app and I talk trash about living your best life and decentering men. But my main hustle is Southern Elegance Candle Company. And when I say my main hustle, that is my day job. I'm the CEO of Southern Elegance Candle Company. And for the most of the time that it has been in existence, I'm very lucky to say that we have done multiple six figures. And for about 4 years, we did well over seven figures, multiple seven figures. But after the battle with Homesick, that really kind of took a toll on me. That 24, 23, 22 was when it started. And then 23, I just said, hey, I need a break. So after we resolved the Homesick issue, we went straight into the holidays. And after the holidays, I was just like, I need a break. And I slowed everything down for Southern Elegance and just kept pretty much a skeleton crew of what I needed in order to pay the current bills. What I didn't know was that that type of revenue drop would cause the bank to recall a line of credit. That line of credit was, well, it was really high, but I didn't like max it out or anything. I only used it to pay my attorney and keep the company going as I restructured and offered new products and discontinued products that weren't selling. Anyway, they were like, give us our damn 60,000 back. So what I'm going to do is have a sale. So everything right now at Southern Elegance is 1/3 off. I will continue to sell until I raise enough money to repay the bank. So we are having a sale over at Southern Elegance. I will be talking about it every single video that I make. I don't give a damn if I'm talking about the sun and the moon. At the end of that video, we're going to talk about this sale that's happening at Southern Elegance. Also, I have opened up my coaching programs, and there are 2 tiers. The $27 tier is once a month minimum, where we meet and I teach you about e-commerce basics and not some bullshit shit that y'all see with these scamming ass coaches on TikTok, where we do a deep dive into e-commerce basics. The next session is going to be about the customer journey, the 6 parts of the customer journey, and how they all tie together to affect your revenue. The other level is, and I might just do all 6 sessions like back to back to back to back. The $27 level, you're going to get a minimum of 1 session, but more than likely it's going to be weekly sessions where I teach you about e-commerce basics. It also comes with a full curriculum, so I want to be clear about that. The other level is a $55 level, or no, $49 level. I don't know where I get 55. $49 level, where we have a Facebook group, a full curriculum, a Facebook group, and weekly group coaching calls where we talk about the current climate and what you need to do in terms of your sales and marketing. Both of these have been closed for a while because I give individual attention to the people that are in my coaching program. So I don't have a lot of room for a lot of people. And it's for serious business owners. It doesn't matter if you're selling at flea markets or you're selling online. If you're interested in growing your e-commerce business, my coaching program is good for you. So having said all of that, this is also going to be turned into a series, a TikTok series of what you need to do when you are going through adversity. Because at the end of the day, me getting on here crying about how hard business is, nobody gives a shit. I chose this. What you want to know is, how am I getting through it and how does it relate to you? So it's going to be a 10-part series. The next video will be part 1. But again, every video I do is going to be about Southern Elegance and this sale that I'm running to pay back the $60,000 line of credit that was extended to me. Well, actually, it was more than that, but that's how much I owe on it. Line of credit that was extended to me by the bank and what happens when the bank recalls it. If you want to know the minutia and the really in-depth strategy that I'm going to use, you have to join the $55 coaching group, and I will give you all of the details behind the scenes, which is what I do anyway with that coaching program. So again, I'm having a sale Everything is 1/3 off over at Southern Elegance through the webpage. If you order through TikTok, you're not going to. There are promotions over on TikTok. There are $20 promotions over at TikTok, but it's not the full catalog of what we offer. It's very specific to TikTok because we only have 3 days to get it out. So if you want to support me, watch this video. That is enough support. You can buy a candle or you can join one of my coaching programs.